Mospec is a leading motorcycle repair tools brand from Taiwan. We specialize in designing and manufacturing high-quality motorcycle repair tools. Covering a wide tools range of motorcycle parts, Mospec also manufactures special tools for all motorcycle brands. "100% made in Taiwan. High-quality products and on-time delivery are Mospec's strengths. We're an ISO 9001-2015 certified company with multiple patents, ensuring product quality and customer service. Excellent motorcycle tools can help you save more time, bring joy to repairs, and make you more professional." Mospec is dedicated to constantly developing new items and providing our customers a wide variety of products. We have stock for all the products to ensure stable supply. Mospec attend international exhibitions every year to promote our products and engage with our distributors about new products. We have global partners and are committed to driving growth and innovation. Mospec follows ESG guidelines and prioritizes sustainability. We offer plastic-free packaging to reduce plastic pollution and promote the sustainable development of the industry. Mospec has long been concerned about vulnerable groups and supports social welfare organizations. Mospec will focus on innovation and expansion, exploring new market opportunities to provide more efficient motorcycle tools. Looking forward to delivering more quality products and services. More tools, more specialized.